Looking for speakers that can handle the elements without sacrificing sound quality? Imagine a marine speaker that's completely waterproof, built to resist heavy water splashes and harsh outdoor conditions. Whether you're on a boat, ATV, or any outdoor vehicle, this speaker promises durability and crystal-clear audio no matter where your adventures take you. Here's the story. First found these marine speakers a few years back and recently put them to the test. I built a sealed box from marine plywood, installed 4 of these speakers, and hooked them up to a modest amplifier. The result? An impressive, full-range sound that filled my hot tub area, turning it into an instant party spot. The 150 watts peak power, paired with a 20-ounce circuit magnet and a frequency range from 80 Hz to 18 kHz, ensures you get rich, balanced audio. Plus, the 6.5-inch size and low-profile design make installation a breeze on almost any vehicle. What sets these speakers apart is more than just power. Their weather-resistant build features a polypropylene cone with a cloth surround, heavy-duty molded ABS plastic basket, and grille construction designed to fight off sun damage and wear. The 1-inch aluminum voice coil adds to the durability while maintaining a sleek, classic white look that complements your ride. Installation is straightforward with universal mounting hardware and a shallow 2.48-inch mounting depth, fitting standard cutouts easily. If you're ready to upgrade your outdoor sound system with speakers that deliver both performance and resilience, this marine speaker is worth a look. It's designed to handle water and sun without missing a beat, so you can focus on enjoying your time outside. Just remember, if you're pairing it with an amplifier near water, proper insulation is key. Always prioritize safety and consult a professional when needed. Ready to experience powerful, waterproof sound on your next trip? These marine speakers offer what you get: durability, easy installation, and impressive audio quality that transforms any outdoor setting. Try them when you're ready and hear the difference for yourself.